Good evening. I'm Jose, and welcome to the Philippines in World News Today. Over the past 24 hours, the Philippines appeared in at least three global news outlets: Reuters, CNN, and Al Jazeera. We begin with Reuters reporting that the Philippines has recorded over 3,100 new coronavirus infections and 70 deaths in the 9th of September. This brings the total number of confirmed cases in the country to more than 245,000, almost half of which were reported in the last 30 days. Total confirmed deaths are now at 3,986. Next is an article by CNN senior medical correspondent Elizabeth Cohen discussing the rationing of COVID-19 drug remdesivir in the United States, despite the drug being abundant in developing nations. The article focuses on the shortage of the drug in the US, but it does cite Dr. Endymion Tan, an infectious disease specialist at the Metropolitan Medical Center in Manila, as saying that we don't have any shortages here of the said drug. Lastly is an article from Al Jazeera providing a preview into the ongoing annual talks of Southeast Asia's top diplomats, where issues on the South China Sea and the coronavirus pandemic are casting a shadow on the said ASEAN summit. It is worth noting that the Philippines is among the handful of ASEAN members currently embroiled in territorial disputes with China over the South China Sea. The Philippines is also among the worst hit in the region by the coronavirus pandemic. The Philippines currently has more cases than China, the country where the outbreak started late last year. And that is it for the Philippines in World News Today. Please see the links below to read in full the articles mentioned in the video. Thank you and mabuhay!